Hi everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And do you love feeding the birds? But the squirrels like to eat the bird seed too. That was my problem. And with this Yankee Droll Flipper squirrel proof bird feeder, my problem was solved. It uses an electronic unit to spin the base of the feeder when a squirrel stands on it to eat. The electronic housing is easy to remove, so I can take it inside to charge it. And the charger is so convenient because you plug it in, and when the unit requires charging, it shows a red dot. And then when it's done charging, it shows a green dot. It's also easy to fill with bird seed. You just lift off the top and fill it up with the bird seed. And it holds quite a bit, up to 5 pounds of seed. So you don't have to keep refilling it often. The metal is powder coated, so it really lasts through the elements. This one has green at the top and at the base. There are also 4 holes at the base for the birds to eat from. It's great to have a solution for those pesky squirrels who are always eating my bird seed. This Droll Yankee Flipper squirrel-proof bird feeder has allowed us to continue feeding and watching the birds. And that's my point of view.